Monroe County in East Tennessee until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Utah, Oregon, 14 miles south of Madisonville, moving north at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bullock Creek, Coker Creek, Mount Vernon, Tellico Plains, Englewood, and Madisonville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National